Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are taking a tour of a true flagship in the Class A world. This is the 2015 Itasca Ellipse Ultra 42QL. For those who demand the absolute pinnacle of diesel pusher engineering, the Ellipse Ultra is in a league of its own. This is a CARFAX one-owner coach with just 51,000 miles. Measuring 43 feet in length, it sits on a massive tag axle chassis that provides a level of stability and luxury you just won't find in a standard single-axle coach. Take a look at this exterior. We are looking at Winnebago's Bronze Halo graphics package. This is a multi-stage full-body paint job that uses rich bronze, gold, and deep earth tones to create a stunning high-end profile. There isn't a single sticker on this RV. This is all automotive-grade paint that shines beautifully in the Carolina sun. As we walk along the passenger side, notice the three enormous slide-outs that open up this 42QL floor plan into a sprawling residential-style oasis. Now, I have to highlight a huge value add on this specific unit. We have installed brand new tires all the way around. Between that and the one-owner history, this is a coach you can drive off the lot with total confidence. For outdoor living, you have a massive power patio awning and a power door awning. But check this out. This Ultra comes with a full exterior kitchen. You've got a mini fridge, an induction cooktop, and pantry storage right here on the patio. Combine that with the exterior entertainment center featuring a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers, and you have the ultimate setup for entertaining. Throughout this walk-around, take note of the polished wheels and the massive windows. Every inch of this Ellipse Ultra screams quality and prestige. We're going to continue our walk around the rear cap to see that tag axle setup and the 15,000-pound hitch before we dive into the heavy-duty mechanical systems that make this coach a true Ultra. Let's dive into the foundation of this coach, because underneath the paint is where the Ellipse Ultra really earns its name. You are riding on the heavy-duty Freightliner Maxum TAG AXLE chassis. This chassis is specifically engineered to lower the center of gravity and provide an incredibly smooth air ride experience. With full air brakes and that tag axle for added weight distribution, the driving experience is effortless, even in crosswinds. Powering this 43-foot masterpiece is the 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine. It produces 450 horsepower and a staggering 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. It is paired with the Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the ultimate powertrain for climbing mountain passes while towing a heavy vehicle behind you. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see the advantage of the Maxum chassis design. Cavernous pass-through storage. We have a full slide-out storage tray included here, so you can easily reach all your gear without breaking a back. Now, let's talk about the high-end utility systems. This coach is equipped with the AquaHot 450D hydronic heating system. This gives you unlimited hot water and quiet, even furnace heat throughout the cabin, without the dry air of a standard furnace. For off-grid power, we have a massive Onan 10-kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It is conveniently mounted on its own power slide-out tray for easy maintenance. You'll also find 50-amp service on a power cord reel, a Magnum inverter charger, and a Dirt Devil central vacuum system with all the attachments. For the serious traveler, having all these systems, from the side view cameras to the 15,000-pound trailer hitch, means you are prepared for any journey. The automatic hydraulic leveling jacks round out the package, ensuring you're level and stable with just the push of a button once you pull into your campsite. This is mechanical excellence at its finest. Stepping inside the Ellipse Ultra, the level of luxury is immediately apparent. The 42QL layout features a stunning middle kitchen that serves as the heart of the home. This kitchen is built for a gourmet chef. You have an induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, and a huge stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer. And look at the convenience features. You have the dishwasher option and even an extendable countertop that provides a massive amount of prep space when you're cooking for a crowd. The residential sink and faucet are top tier, and the cabinetry finish is absolutely beautiful. Because the kitchen is centrally located, it feels very social and open. The solid surface countertops and high-end lighting fixtures make this space feel more like a custom home kitchen than an RV galley. It's the perfect place to prepare a meal before heading out to the patio kitchen for some outdoor fun. Moving into the front living room, you can see how those massive slide-outs create a sprawling lounge area. For relaxation, we have an L-shaped sectional jackknife sleeper sofa and a plush recliner. This area is perfectly positioned to enjoy the electric fireplace, which also provides additional heat on chilly mornings. For your entertainment, you have a large 50-inch TV that makes movie night feel like a theater experience. The ceiling heights and the polished flooring really make this room feel grand, and it's the perfect spot to host friends or just relax by the fireplace. Adjacent to the kitchen is the table dinette. This setup includes 4 chairs, 2 of which can be folded up and stowed away when you don't need them. Just past the kitchen is the private half bathroom. This is a huge convenience for your guests, as it features its own toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan. Having this 1.5 bath layout ensures that your master suite stays private, while your guests have their own dedicated space during the day. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 42QL features a king-sized bed that is situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of walk-around space. You have a dedicated 32-inch TV back here, along with wardrobe closets and plenty of drawer storage for all your travel attire. This is a quiet, comfortable sanctuary designed for a great night's rest, separated perfectly from the main living area. At the very back of the coach is the full-width master bathroom. This is a massive space that features a very large shower enclosure with glass doors and a residential feel. You have a large vanity with a high-end sink, a toilet, and a power vent fan. For those planning on long-term travel, this is also where you'll find the stackable washer and dryer. Unlike the combo units, having separate machines allows you to do laundry efficiently while you're enjoying your vacation. It is a true master bath that offers all the space and amenities you'd expect from an Ultra flagship. head back outside to wrap things up, it is easy to see why the 2015 Itasca Ellipse Ultra 42 QL is one of the most desirable coaches on the market. To recap, you are looking at a CARFAX one-owner tag axle flagship with only 51,000 miles. You're getting the massive 450 horsepower Cummins engine, the AquaHot system, and a 10-kilowatt generator. With brand new tires all the way around, 1.5 baths, a king bed, and that incredible bronze halo full-body paint, this coach is fully loaded and ready for its next owner. The exterior kitchen and dishwasher are just the icing on the cake for this luxury rig. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this virtual tour here at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping!